Welcome to this quick tour of the Leap Learning platform. This platform is excellent for training instructors, devising progressive skill courses, having a complete activity library, being able to use our lesson plan templates or create your own, and access to a complete database of lesson plans. In this example, we are using the Fun and Fit Gymnastics program. In this program, there is a home, and what you see in terms of these tabs right here depends on the level of access you have. There are several levels of access available. You're looking at administrator's access right now, and with your menu, you will see a home, level courses, skill courses, an activity library, your instructors where everybody is logged and tracked, and lesson plans and activity editors, in addition to announcements and more. In level courses, in gymnastics, for example, there are three levels here, or three types of levels. One is girls gymnastics, or recreational gymnastics and developmental, and you'll notice that there are 6 courses here for training instructors. If you were to go into the level 1 course, for example, what you will find is complete skill activities, basics on vaulting, basics on bars, basics on the balance beam, basics on all events, balance beam, tumbling. If you go down further, you'd find mini tramp, trampoline, dance, and a little quiz as well. And in each area, let's just take tumbling, for example. Let's say you were to work on a cartwheel over the folded mat on both sides. The instructor taking the course is getting all of these basics. They're getting a quick video on the process itself, the actual description of a movement, any equipment needed, and instructor tracking. For example, I've been mentored on teaching this activity. I've watched this being taught. I've taught this in a live class, and a couple of check questions, getting them ready for the overall assessment. But each skill within each of the 6 level courses for girls, for example, these are all trackable and assignable to your instructor, so you know they have the basics. Same thing with boys recreational gymnastics. There are 6 levels of courses there. And in preschool gymnastics, there are 5 levels of instructor education courses here. And what else can you do with this? Well, in the skill courses, these are what's called progressions. And let's say in girls gymnastics, you wanted to see what's involved with anything that involved a cartwheel. Well, you start to type that in, and you could click on that. And what comes up is a little progression for actually doing cartwheels. So instructors can educate themselves on the basic steps from beginner all the way through. What else can the system do? Well, there's an activity library. And for example, you could select a girls curriculum, level 4, and you wanted to see all the uneven bars or the bar activities. And so those activities are there. And you can use these activities in a number of ways. There are hundreds and hundreds of videotaped activities in the system. With My Lessons, you have some choices. You may clone a template. We have a 3 rotation and a 4 rotation template here. And again, this is for gymnastics. It differs a little bit with swimming or special needs or trampoline or cheerleading or ninja programs. But you get the idea. You can also start to create your own lessons if you wish, or your own lesson plans. And you can actually, once you've learned how to do it, you can actually insert the skills that we already have in the activity library right into your own lessons. So use our template or create your own. Additionally, in gymnastics, for example, you may want to have all of the Fun and Fit lesson plans. Maybe you just want lesson plans that are ready-made. Well, you can open the link here, and where that's going to take you is simply to a shared drive wherein you have boys lesson plans, girls lesson plans, preschool lesson plans. Let's click on girls lesson plans, and let's go into level 2 lesson plans. What you're going to see here is all of the PDFs. In this particular case, I believe there are 16 PDFs of all the lesson plans. Let's take a look at one. When you look at that, you'll see the equipment, any class memos, the greeting, the warm-up, rotation 1, rotation 2, rotation 3, a fun finish, and a goodbye. So all of these are included with the LEAP learning systems in most of the platforms that you might choose, and you may choose several. This one just happened to be recreational gymnastics for age group boys, age group girls, and preschool. But again, the level courses for training your instructors, the skill courses for seeing progressions, the activity library that you can sort any way you wish, and you can also use all those activities that are pre-filmed and described and put them into your lessons or into our lesson templates. And as we said before, you can link to all the lesson plans that are here as well. And these are just some of the activities. We're just scratching the surface here. Thanks for joining us, and we'll look forward to seeing your subscription and working with you.